Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows computer. First of all, click on the search bar down here and type for setting and click this setting option. Click the network and internet and then click mobile hotspot. To turn on the mobile hotspot, you can click this toggle and make sure it is on. Then your Wi-Fi hotspot name is this one, and the password is this one. You can change the network properties by clicking this edit button, change the Wi-Fi hotspot name, and change the password. And then after that, click the save button. And yeah, that's how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows computer. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Bye.